Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the analyst and trader you can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good evening, today is Thursday, November 29th, 2012, and it's 7:30 p.m. Italian time. In this video I want to review Bank of America, a stock traded on the NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange. And I want to apply my trading method to this stock in order to see where we are in this stock, where price is on the largest time frame, the weekly time frame, and also to try to understand where this stock is headed at the moment. So as usual, I will start from the weekly time frame, and this is a stock which was the IPO was the 83. It went through the big bull market of 80s and 90s, and then it corrected along with the other markets. And from 2001 it had a number of measure move. The first one, and with support in the 25, the second one, same anchor, new high, with supports in 28.35, which hit the first and the second target. And the stock kept moving in extensions basically, and the next support was in 2007 at 43.83, but with the violation on the downside of the 44.80 level, basically decreed the start of the bear market for this stock. And there was this anchor which was used twice and again, and price got to the $10 level, and it continued lower into the lows in 2009. But there were not the lows because actually price, no, yes, sorry, there were the lows in 2009. So since then, the stock tried to pick up, and we had a first measure move here to target, and the next measure move traded at the end of 2010 with support at 11.20, but with price again going below 9.15. There was again the stock started moving lower again. And on the weekly chart we can see this traditional measure move with the resistance in the 1530 area, which brought price to the first target 80.80 and the second target 540. And as we can see, at the end, in the last 3 months of the year 2001, the price started getting bids here, but it took 3 months before this move could be reversed. It's also very interesting to see price moving away from this second target level, and this is due to profit taking, so program trading taking profits out of this market. And a confirmation of the fact that this move lower was completed is when the next extension short did not trade. Actually found a little bit of participation around the 70-90, but it was also this could also stop price temporarily, because there was this move, this bust higher here. So and after this burst, actually price came back, and at the very beginning it didn't find support to the 751. So one could think that this stock resumed the move lower, but then at the second test we could contain bulls were able to contain price at 690. So I will consider this measure move valid, and it has a first target in 11.30 and a second target in 13.30. So if the general SP500 general market keeps moving higher, so if we move above 1,419 in the SP500, sorry, this stock will follow and we have a first target in 11:30. So let's move to the daily chart and see what's going on in this chart. So I will trace again the support level in the 7 area, and this is the 750 area, and as you can see here the 6090 was defended. So let's see in this move higher, having target in the first target in 11:30, what's going on, how we can model using my trading method this move higher here. And the way we can model it is we had a first extension. So as soon as price came out of this support area, it started trading in extensions, and we got to first. I just want to highlight the 11:30 target here, so I'll do this and I will remove all the other lines to make it clearer. So we had the first target in 860 and the second target at 9, but then as you can see the sequence of measure move higher, the sequence of extension stopped at the second extension, the price going below 890. So we had to find another anchor this stock was using, and I think a good anchor is this level here that was support before, and as we can see it's able to support price. So I believe this is what program trading is actually using. We had supported 890, and this tells us where the price of this stock is headed. And the first target of this inner measure move is 1040, the 1040 area, and as you can see the second target lines up nicely with the 1130 target. So I believe this is a good way to model price of BAC, Bank of America. And so what we could do, we should actually probably buy this stock at the next retracement with a stop either below 865, but this would probably make the reward to risk ratio too small. So maybe we can consider the 930 as the stop level here. And as you can see, this is also the current trade, the inner trade on the 4-hour charts. In the 4-hour charts, there is a 940 support, bringing price into 1020, so helping price into that 1040 first target. And so a good plan could be to buy on a retracement of the SP 500, if we get it, to buy the 940 area here with a stop 930 and a stop 865. So maybe you could split the position in two and have, for half of it, have a stop below 930, and for the other half having a stop below 860. So and the closer target is 1130, and the stock can actually continue higher, because the next resistance level we have at the on the daily and weekly chart is 1240. So maybe if price keeps moving higher, maybe we can keep a runner and also sell part of the position at 1130 and try to bring it up to 1240. I will definitely exit at 1240, because this level is an important resistance level, and we will surely see some sort of participation at that level. This is it for BAC, Bank of America. If you like this analysis, come to find me at FibonacciStalking.com. I also trade Forex and do analysis for Forex and futures. You can subscribe my newsletter and you'll get additional information like trading plan for euros and SP 500, the FibStalker view on currencies, in which I review the dollar index plus $4 pair, dollar related pairs, and I have articles on my trading method, and also an interesting articles on high frequency trading and program trading, from which I derive my hedge. So I hope this is interesting. I wish you a very good evening. Thanks for your interest, and thank you. Bye bye.